Hello students, this video is about formation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound with general formula RMgX. This R can be any alkyl group or aryl group, and X is a halide like chloride, bromide or iodide. In this Grignard reagent, there is a bonding between alkyl or aryl group and magnesium. Magnesium is high electropositive when compared to alkyl group. That's why it gets partial positive charge, alkyl group gets partial negative charge. So this bonding is polar. So this alkyl group acts as nucleophilic site and MgX acts as electrophilic site. When Grignard reagent reacts with aldehydes, say formaldehyde, when it reacts with, let us take ethyl magnesium bromide. In this, ethyl group is nucleophilic, MgBr is electrophilic, and oxygen as high electronegative. That's why this pi electron bond will be shifted to oxygen. Oxygen gets negative and carbon gets positive. So nucleophilic ethyl group attacks on the carbon atom and electrophilic MgBr attacks on oxygen atom. So now you will get a bonding between this C2H5 group and carbon atom of formaldehyde. So it will become C2H5 CH2 O MgBr, which on hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium. In this compound formed here, once again oxygen got negative charge and MgBr got positive charge. When it undergo hydrolysis, H plus ion from water will be added to negative side and OH minus ion from water will be added to positive side. So the final product will be C2H5 CH2OH, which is a primary alcohol. When Grignard reagent reacts with aldehydes other than formaldehyde, I will take acetaldehyde here. When it reacts with C2H5 MgBr, ethyl magnesium bromide, which is a Grignard reagent, in which ethyl group is nucleophilic, MgBr has positive charge, electrophilic. Because of shifting of this pi bond onto high electronegative oxygen, it gets negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. So nucleophilic ethyl group attacks on carbon atom and electrophilic MgBr attacks on oxygen atom. So you will get an intermediate product CH3. C is bonded to hydrogen here, and this carbon atom is bonded to oxygen by single bond, as this pi bond is already broken, and MgBr is attached to oxygen, and C2H5 is added to carbon. When this intermediate product undergo hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium, this bonding between oxygen and MgBr will be broken oxygen is negatively charged, MgBr is positively charged, and from water H plus ion will be added to negative charged oxygen, OH minus ion will be added to positive charged MgBr. So the product will be CH3 CH C2H5 OH. It's an alcohol which is bonded to secondary carbon. So it's a secondary alcohol. And another product is MgOH Br. So when aldehydes other than formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, you will get secondary alcohol. When it reacts with ketone, here I will take acetone. When reacts with ethyl magnesium bromide, in which ethyl group is nucleophilic, MgBr is electrophilic. Because of shifting of this pi bond to oxygen, oxygen gets negative sign, carbon gets positive sign. So negative charged ethyl group attacks on positive charged carbon, positive charged MgBr attacks on oxygen atom. So the intermediate product is CH3 bonded to this carbon, and to this carbon C2H5 group is added, and that carbon atom is already bonded to CH3, and this pi bond has become single bond, so single bond oxygen, and onto this oxygen MgBr is added. This intermediate product will undergo hydrolysis. As usual, H plus will be added to negative charged oxygen, OH minus will be added to positive charged MgBr. So the product is an alcohol in which OH group is bonded to tertiary carbon. So it's a tertiary alcohol, and the byproduct is so when ketones reacts with Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, you will get tertiary alcohol. When esters reacts with Grignard reagent, here I took methyl ethanoate, in which the pi bond is shifted to oxygen, oxygen gets negative charge and carbon gets positive charge. In Grignard reagent ethyl magnesium bromide, ethyl group has negative charge and MgBr has positive charge. So this negative charged ethyl group attacks on positive charged carbon, positive charged magnesium attacks on oxygen, and it will give you intermediate product like this. In this compound, carbon is bonded to two high electronegative oxygen atoms, and such kind of compounds are unstable. So anyway, here oxygen has negative sign and MgBr has positive sign. This bond will be broken and this negative charge shifts to carbon back, and the bonding between carbon and OCH3 will be broken, and it will be transferred to oxygen. So this compound will become, this part is removed, so remaining part is only C2H5. So it turned into ketone, and we already know that ketone can react with Grignard reagent again. So second mole of Grignard reagent reacts with ketone followed by hydrolysis will give you tertiary alcohol. Already we know how ketone will become tertiary alcohol when reacts with Grignard reagent. When amides reacts with Grignard reagent, here I took ethanamide, in which pi bond shifts to oxygen, it gets negative sign, carbon gets positive sign. In ethyl magnesium bromide, ethyl group gets negative sign, MgBr gets positive sign. Negative charged ethyl group attacks on carbon, positive charged MgBr attacks on oxygen. So the compound we will get in this reaction C2H5 is attached to this carbon, which is already containing NH2 group, and MgBr is added to oxygen. So we got an intermediate compound like this, which contains two high electronegative atoms bonded to carbon. Oxygen and nitrogen, both of them are high electronegative. These two high electronegative atoms are bonded to carbon, which is unstable. So negative charge which is present on oxygen will be shifted to carbon back, and this bond will be broken and will be shifted to nitrogen. So you will get the product. This NH2 is removed, so this carbon has only C2H5 with it, and the single bond again turned back into double bond. Means we got a ketone here. So when an amide reacts with 1 mole of Grignard reagent, we got a ketone. When this ketone again reacts with Grignard reagent, followed by hydrolysis, then you will get a tertiary alcohol. So ethanamide, when reacts with 1 mole of Grignard reagent, will give you ketone, but when it reacts with 2 moles of Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis, it will give you tertiary alcohol. When Grignard reagent reacts with acid chlorides, here I took ethynyl chloride, which contains a C double bond O Cl group. In this pi bond will be shifted to oxygen. Oxygen gets negative sign, carbon gets positive sign. In Grignard reagent, ethyl group has negative sign, MgBr has positive sign. So once again this C2H5 group attacks on carbon, MgBr attacks on oxygen. So the intermediate product is even in this compound also you got oxygen and chlorine, which are highly electronegative, bonded to same carbon, which is unstable. So this negative charge of oxygen will come back to carbon, and carbon chlorine bond will be broken and it will be shifted to chlorine. Means it will be removed in the form of Cl minus. So the product is a ketone with a byproduct of MgClBr, and this ketone can again react with 1 more Grignard reagent. Followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium will give you tertiary alcohol.